Hey everyone! In this video, I'll show you how to get more FPS in CS2. Before we get started, make sure to subscribe to our channel, as it really helps us grow. Now let's get started. Launch Counter-Strike 2. Click the Settings icon. Open the Video tab. Set Display Mode to Full Screen. Full Screen usually gives better performance than Windowed mode. If you need more FPS, lower your screen resolution. Many professional CS2 players use 1280 by 960 or 1152 by 864. Some players also use 1280 by 1024. These lower resolutions can improve FPS and make the game feel more responsive. If your FPS is still low, try an even lower resolution until you find the best balance between performance and image quality. Set the refresh rate to the highest value your monitor supports. For example, if your monitor supports 144 Hz, select 144 Hz. If your monitor only supports 60 Hz, keep it set to 60 Hz. A higher refresh rate won't increase your FPS, but it will make the game feel much smoother. Open the Advanced Video Settings. Set Boost Player Contrast to Enabled. This makes enemy players easier to see, with almost no impact on performance. Set Wait for Vertical Sync to Disabled. V-Sync can reduce screen tearing, but it may lower FPS and increase input lag. Set Current Video Values Preset to Custom. This lets you change each graphics setting individually. Set Multi-Sampling Anti-Aliasing Mode to CMA2. This provides good image quality while maintaining excellent performance. Set Global Shadow Quality to Low. Lower shadows improve FPS. Set Dynamic Shadows to All. This helps you see enemy shadows around corners and doorways. Set Model and Texture Detail to Low. This reduces GPU usage and improves FPS. Set Texture Filtering Mode to Bilinear. This uses less GPU power and improves performance. Set Shader Detail to Low. This reduces lighting effects and helps increase FPS. Set Particle Detail to Low. This lowers effects like smoke and explosions and improves performance. Set Ambient Occlusion to Disabled. This disables extra shadow effects and gives you more FPS. Set High Dynamic Range to Performance. This improves performance while keeping the game looking good. Leave Fidelity FX Super Resolution disabled. If your FPS is still low, enable Fidelity FX Super Resolution. This renders the game at a lower resolution, then upscales it to improve FPS. Your settings are saved automatically. Close the game. Open Task Manager. Close unnecessary background applications. Programs like Discord, web browsers, or other game launchers can use your CPU, RAM, and disk resources. Closing them can improve FPS. Also, update your graphics card driver. The latest drivers often improve game performance and fix bugs. As a bonus tip, install CS2 on an SSD if possible. An SSD won't increase FPS directly, but it reduces loading times and makes the game feel more responsive. Launch CS2 again. You should now notice smoother gameplay and higher FPS. That's it. If this video helped you, don't forget to like the video. Subscribe to our channel for more helpful tutorials. Thanks for watching.